Hey everyone, if HandBrake won't open on your computer, this guide will walk you through the most common fixes. We'll start with the quick checks, then move into reinstalling and system updates if needed, so let's get it working. First, HandBrake may already be running in the background. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Find HandBrake in the list, select it, and click End Task. Then try opening it again. If that didn't work, restart your computer. I mean, it sounds basic, but it clears stuck background processes and temporary system issues that can stop HandBrake from launching. After your computer restarts, right-click the HandBrake shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If it opens now, a permission setting was probably blocking it before. Next, check that you're using the latest version of HandBrake. An older version may not work properly after a Windows or macOS update. Download the newest installer from the official HandBrake website, then install it over your current version. Now check whether your antivirus or security software has blocked HandBrake. Open its protection history or quarantine section and look for anything related to HandBrake. If you find it, restore or allow the app only if you downloaded it from the official site. If HandBrake still won't open, uninstall it from your computer, restart once more, and then install a fresh copy. This can replace damaged program files, without affecting your original videos. Finally, install any pending Windows or macOS updates. HandBrake relies on system components that may be missing or outdated, especially on older computers, and that's it. In most cases, ending the background task, updating HandBrake, or doing a clean reinstall fixes the problem. Once it opens again, you're ready to get back to converting your videos.